Hello and welcome back to Steady Income Trading live trading session. Today is Monday, June the 10th. And as usual, we'll take a look at our account and see if we are okay to put another trade on. And to start, we'll first record our metrics and see where we at with that. So VIX is at 1284. 1284. Our delta is 103.55. 355. Our Vega is minus 632. And our buying power usage is going to be right here. So refresh 16.5. 16.5. I was a little under the weather last few days, but I'm back, ready to do some damage here. Let's see, notional netlick. Where is it? Notional netlick 1080. All right, 10.8. And units at risk 3.1. So this is how we just check and make sure that everything is in line with our metrics and nothing is overstretched like buying power or deltas or anything. But we're in a good shape. Buying power usage is low. Everything is fine. So we're gonna go ahead and put another trade on. As a matter of fact, according to our metrics here, we are a little bit underexposed. So we would be able to put on an early trade or allow some of the naked puts in existence to go past the 60% profit target, but that might change once we put a trade on. So I'm just mentioning so you know what it is. Weekly target premium, it's still around 1,000 roughly, and so we're going to shoot for around half of that, anywhere in between 450 and 600. Something like that, and we'll see what market gives us. With the VIX at 12 handle, we are looking at around 13 delta, 12, 13, somewhere in that neighborhood. So let's see what do we have. If we go to trade right here, and we're gonna go to 102 because 101 is pretty busy, and we have one here at 13. So let's see what we can get here at 11, just a little bit under. If we go for 3, we get 427. We could do that. Let's just see if we go a little bit higher. We go to 550, but that's a little bit too high. Let's just check the 101 just to see if there is any. Oh, look at this. There is a opening right here. I think I'd rather do this. It's 13 delta and it's empty slot right there. So, and yeah, I know we're piling up a little bit here, but there's not much difference between this one and the 102. So it would be the same thing essentially. So that's part of the deal. So quantity, let's see, 3. We go for 480. Okay, I think we can go ahead with that. That sounds good. And we're gonna go and see if we can collect the full amount. And if not, we'll just go back here, right click, replace, go down a quarter and just close this puppy at 31.75. Okay, so now we go back to either one of these two. Let's see how busy it is here. Oh, it's pretty busy. We might want to go here. Seems a little bit more open. And if we go here, we can see that we got 31.75. Let's do the math again so that everybody's on the same page. So 31.75 times 3 and times 5 for the multiplier. 476 is what we collected times 0.2, 95. So minus commissions and fees, we want to stay under 95 with commissions and fees if possible. So we want to spend somewhere around 80 to 85 dollars for the put debit spread, and we can do either 75 or 100 wide depending on what we can find. So let's play with that a little bit and see if we go to let's see, let's go to 33 delta and just see how much 100 would cost us. That would be a little bit too high. So what we could do is either go like this for 75 wide here and pay $75 for it, which is a little bit under. Let's just see a little bit more what we can do. If we buy one more here, we could, this one is 17, that's That would be 85. That's probably okay, but I would rather not buy here where we already bought. So let's play a little bit. Let's see what we can find that is nice, and let's just see this. This would be 91. So I think we're gonna go back to this one, 75, and just underpay a little bit and call it a day. So that's fine. We underpaying a little bit, or we are getting a little bit shorter. We're going 75 wide instead of 100, but that's fine. Some of them will be a little bit over, some of them will be a little bit under. Overall, it's gonna be, on average, will be fine. So let's see if we can close this. And if not, same thing, only on the opposite direction. We up the offer a little bit, and that's gonna close. That's fine. So we're gonna open this to have it handy here to see what we did. Then we're gonna go here to the YOTS page. This is straight 75 and MES, today's date. VIX at opening 1283. Delta was 13, I think 49.50, and it was 101, and we got 31.75 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 476, and that's on that. And then here we got MES, and the strikes were 52.75, and then 5200 in 81 days, but let me double check. 81, yes, and we paid minus 15.25 for one of those. So this is now recorded. We go back to main page just to check this. This would give us a next trading day, Wednesday, all else equal. But let's just update these things here just to see if we are still under exposed, which I would think we are not, but let's just see. We refresh this one. So 18.8. So this is going to be 18.8. Our delta 119.62. 119.62. Vega minus 717. Let's just do this here, 3.4, and our notional exposure 11.87. And as you can see here, now it's flashing no. Let's just see which of the parameters is over. Portfolio delta, yeah, portfolio delta is over 0.15. So we are a little bit too directionally exposed to be calling ourselves underexposed. So that's perfectly fine. It's just means we're not going to be putting any early trades or letting any trades past 60% profit target. But at the moment, I don't think we have any. Anyways, I think just to double check. And by the way, let's just mark this as group position. This was naked put. Naked put 75. Was it 75? I think it was. Let's see. Yeah, 75. And then this is put debit spread. PDS 75. Oops, and that's our trade. Now, guys, if you find this useful, please make sure you like and consider subscribing. We do live trades probably two times per week on average. All of our members are welcome to join to live trading session and ask questions if they have. Sometimes we stay after the session and we can chat further. And then I think that's all I have. I will see you all on Wednesday. And by the way, I'm going on holidays, going to Germany for the European Football Championship. So I'll be out for a full week starting Friday and then the following week. So I'm not sure if I'll be trading, definitely not doing any videos, but I'll update everything when I come back and we'll continue from there. I'll let you know how it's going. All right. Thank you guys. Have a good one.